who's ready the atema and assembly mind, who's ready the atema and president, MP ministers, who's ready the atema and United Krumha and MPP ableso. A school phone could be could be a good father atem, dignity, a good dinatem, as the much remain when you have penity from the Cocogisca do. Good father tell, or tell us from you, Munjao, Mahama by the Achachi channel also. They are not question, once a week as a penwatchano. So no one member, Abia one show. The my one Azuka attracting a fenyo, so Bukun, Azuka Nenamo. Abronya could the IGP attempt the Maquachano. Abronya say when you rumble, as what Dan Demana and Crawford foreign dance or many big war from. Unimuni Chinese from the Unimuni war from the is Grana Granamotata and down. Me ninjas. Now my Vandam. Honwasha and Yin or they don't come up political. I'd be not threatening will be cramping and I'm on my way to get them near Quachano. I be no big can and also just our town. I was a neighbor and Pomin Chere. The mamma nim come from. If he said they rather Donon and our cannon. Said the a JBI man at bar or Donon or Bible. I wear president in Yato so abasi cream. Sadan I was the 2-3 now who say, no, you're from Mubankwana Yoma. Nemo my Munina. People more my Munina Bayoma. Was a just a deal in Finu now by Bayama mine. No be a bonnet, now can I dear no be a bonnet option of Sondia, or a basha bonnet, no batampa. Sanity, Kayui, Kawama, Ekasano, young from Sonaka watching. No beating channel, the strangers and always papa. On one background, watching in the Oyini or Bacano one casa. MPP time, I then I can even tell and Captain Smart Momania. Did your team who MPP time? Sana money because of Mechi Binum dear, but and young water Mahama Pensi. We are near Betcho. I don't know position uncle for Ekasama or Moody or young water money we in Pano and count down the hour for certain. Kevin tell it to me the chief imam who two for me in Atem or Bagana has answered the party. I bet in a swinty. I'm on protection, security or garden. I bring there could be the IGP at the match. American Canada as a mania politics. Maybe I'm not credit down in Edia too. Mahama Bettina Kunyaso. I dear Baku be a wire. I'm a mania general. Social media now. I see our office will social media now. So my crime will be a Becasano. And one also on some no teachings and Mutino and I chat no attendant. Then United Kuma, that is Engovia Baboma or Mohano, some the Cogalam Seaside. I bind some Cogalam Seaside. Let them see the baby who be a moon to Kunia, the Anuba Tune. Mama Tiana, tax force no motitis or Cogalam Seaside, a cooking Krovina, Ugun, Asiaga Ukunipa, Unipasan, Asiaki to Cogalam Seaside, Ukuma, Ukuma, and Mabe Janka. And correct was a 14 Kunya Roland when she we are issuing boom, Daco, Panini Bianco, any idea Nuba Tumbi, any kind. Mahama Tia Pen or some from Paul. The same crown out for Mobia Hundred. My idea, a duet no man, Kakaka, because of Tiwi, Pene and Panaya Chia, now attendant, Salan King every Yanchi Chenchi, Vikasano Betchin, Vikasano Betchin. If we move my Akufu, remember we almost and then Dion Bettina Kunyaso Casachomo Munti and no material position, but we meet in Zoom. Dollar and then Jingon price and Moshe once and a monka. Vikasana Quacho, Kevin Taylor and a pound for MPP Ableso Moody Diatemakas, Sanamahama Auto, Nayode, and now about power will be fire with the ya or more Quachichi warm. And the water nippers will be kun. Etio, now will be a way to be at the Makwachana Diana for so much as saying, is the money Abronia AU from and a moody and 20 a one down. A motata and a war who's a commando. Moya jetly, Makwatata will be down and a jobrawada. Before I attend the young food dinner, Yasam Ketwa, Anthony baby. How do we do at a man, a girl of Aquachano? And I did the prisons in India and I used to see Danny become home. And for winter mine, in Nipamuni, Moon and Moya, and people from Betanakunaswa, remember bidding by a summer and watching a tune, Nayans and Sunya, Ama and DC4, and DC was also Kunyaso. Now, my bit is a Kevin Taylor, Captain Smart, and nobody didn't pay you for them. Watch about what to Nayans and Sunya, Ama MPP4. Now, buy a one of their winter minka, no Janus one number 3 the hour. You won't come back your mouth. Or fire, or tell or back can be actual, who's ready the attempt the incorporate president, who's ready the attempt and go police, who's ready the attempt, assembly mine and stand, who's ready the attempt. I was at your alternative of a different as when you at your car upon your phone in Yankee and can't of a different around town, Kawanyans of winning, now bed dog, 2 years and 4 no Obecoso and Hunyansa, my brothers Munono, and Munyana down on Motaleta, commando for not Kevin Taylor, and Penny Fuatema wedded dear or to one Sumujono. Did that Ubian?
Uncle Betunwa, Mictonia Fenama Combe by election of Group.
Namon Jadi, say me, and I'm a coca, say, and this MPB, say, come a quartunu babio dinana, can a quantity Swansea. Yabakwa by election, and Catete Yonu Quasi and Panino, call back to me and now on Jimmy. My name is Video, Ubiba Becanquasen. But more than one Trangana, why you need to Hunusa, NDC, you need to Hunusa. Or mine a bomber. Look at the way you are handling the Abronia case. Fine, I me one person I feel said would be anywhere in the year, send the person to court. So he's arrested by CID. I don't have an issue with it. But look at how you have handled the guy. As if he's a criminal.
na sabi Kevin tell am kwa asem do wiase nyinaa mu no oba Ghana say ne handle no mama national security was born in Hobine. And look at what you're doing to the guy. As is why a criminal be in the bullion van. Look. Yeah, they are for good and sana ye PP and shaka say who say yeah. How do you handle somebody like this? How do you handle somebody like this? As if the person is a criminal. And you see, NDC will not rule Ghana forever. And that's about in the next 100 years, and people come to power. Niamu yomubi. On our day, Okasa, some of us come and attack you. Because it's a first class emotion. How will you handle somebody in this militia? Fine, I brought me certain things of his. Everybody knows I've come against him several times. Say, maybe was the way he speaks, I don't like it. But to handle him in this case, like this, in this manner, the way he's being handled, being pushed over, it is not the best. The Ghana police could do better. The Ghana CID could do better. And Mama, as a president, you could handle issues in a better way. Gradually, you are turning the nation into a state of terror and say, you will come out at the person. Because and the way you handle say this, I also say, if Kevin Taylor was handled this way, will the NDC have been quiet to direct? The NDC say Kevin Taylor and somebody handle say this is the Kevin Taylor who insulted even the Otunfo. Or did he be at Mogana to the sense or did he say Otunfo Kraten? Let's ask ourselves, say, at that time, no, I know too far time, no. Mama, what were you doing? If he was not arrested by then, Kadena Mbeka, your democracy knew is how. You know, at times we should look at certain way to handle certain issues. And it's quite unfortunate. It's quite unfortunate.
IGP, you say in Mguasie, Akwaba. Abusuya, haya Ghana and TV. Idiam just to promise the blogger. Na yenua bema just ono de nyansa de ohwegu ono mo a emu odruyi wasesa bi amane bi yakoma Ghana mpanyifo se obaye na wanka obi baye a ntimi nka eno ntini se obaye a ye ne yie ne hu se wo ye ne yie yenye se wo ye tie obi e du obi so de a na ono de amana work free. You know, this guy is very intelligent, and I've been telling you guys that this guy is very intelligent. Obiango follow on TikTok. He's a very intelligent guy. Whatever he says, you know, you see that there is sense in it. And I like the way he presents his staff's stories. So if you follow that guy now, on TikTok now go follow no. I think it's a something real free. But I'll try and find it and give it to you guys. I'll find it and give it to you guys. He's very, very intelligent, and he says stuff that makes you feel like, yeah, this guy is very sensible. Now, we live in this country our own. Yan share bedu baby no. Like, on my name was a tana bedding. Edama obibia. I'm telling you. Now say a shiny ye. Hi Ghana TV.